Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my channel Conceptual Lectures by MSH. Dear students, if you are preparing for any test like CSS, PMS, PPSC, or FPSC, then your main focus should be on English. And to improve your English, you have to focus on your vocabulary first. So, we are going to start a series of lectures on GRE vocabulary. It includes 10 words per video. We will share 10 words vocabulary in one video, and for each word their meaning and their synonyms will be shared, and one sentence from their word will also be shared with you. What you have to do is you have to make a sentence from that word in the comment section to practice those words. Okay, so let's start our today's video. Our first word is abate. It means to become less in degree, intensity, value, or amount. Its synonyms are decrease, diminish, reduce, and subside. Let's make a sentence. We waited for the storm to abate before we headed out. Our next sentence is abdicate. Abdicate means to give up a right or responsibility. Its synonyms are relinquish, renounce, or resign. The sentence include Elizabeth II of England would probably not have become queen if her uncle King Edward VIII had not abdicated. Our third word is aberrant. Aberrant means going off the usual, normal, or right way, or simply deviating from usual or normal type. The synonyms are abnormal, atypical, deviant, or unusual. The sentence we made from aberrant is the aberrant weather during that rainy summer left many feelings as though there had not been any summer at all. Our next word is abeyance. It means a temporary state of inactivity. The synonyms include inactivity, recess, suspension. The sentence is we kept our travel plans in abeyance and did not go until we were certain that we had enough money for the trip. Our next word is abject. Abject means completely hopeless. The synonyms include downtrodden, miserable, wretched. The sentence is they lost everything when their house burned down and have since lived in abject conditions, often homeless. Our next word is abjure. Abjure means to formally reject, often under oath. The synonyms are forswear, renounce. The sentence is though she had completely changed her ways, she could not abjure her former friends. Our next word is abscond. Abscond means to leave secretly and suddenly. Its synonyms are disappear, escape, vanish. The sentence from abscond is 1 minute the children were underfoot, the next minute they absconded with all the cookies. Next word is abstemious. Abstemious means restrained, especially with food and alcohol. The synonyms are frugal, moderate, restrained, temperate. The sentence is since she began to do yoga, she had also abstemious with both alcohol and junk food. Our next word is abysmal. Abysmal means immeasurably great or low. The synonyms include bottomless, vast, wretched. The sentence is he wrote the term paper all in one night and results were abysmal. Our next word is accolade. Accolade means an award or other expression of honor or praise. The synonyms are award, honor. The sentence is given the number of accolades she has received for her work on stage and in film. It is surprising just how humble she is.